Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I would like to show you how to install Windows 11 for testing step by step from start to finish with tip and trick. Okay, let's start. As you know, Windows 11 is leaking before Microsoft announced, and in this video I will like to show you how to install testing to see whether you like it or not in virtual machine, and you can use VMware or VirtualBox. And the reason why we do this, because we want to make sure that everything okay before we do that. And also Microsoft will provide most free update for Windows 10 user, and I will put link in the description how to check that too. One more thing, we need the ISO file, the Windows 10 ISO file. And here I have VMware, and here I have VMware was installed, so we will test install the Windows 11 together. So first thing first, let's create new machine and use the recommendation, and we have some setting to do that. And here let's browse to our file ISO, and also we'll have some trick when we install Windows 11, so stay tuned. Okay, yes, open it, click next, and Windows operating system. Here we don't have any Windows 11, so we just choose Windows 10 64-bit and just name it Windows 11 2021, for example, like that. Okay, and the location I would choose my ID, and I create a folder called VM, so just put there. Since my drive we have more space, so just put there. Okay, up here virtual machine 2 virtual install, just continue, and it requires 60 gigabyte, so just put that, and we would like the single file and easy to delete. Okay, before we start, let's customize our hardware first, and let's put it 4 GB, so the minimum is 4 GB of RAM. Since I'm on virtual I have 16, so just put 4 GB of RAM. It would be okay. Processor, let's do 2 processor, top processor 2. Okay, and here I don't need internet, so just go here, host only, since I don't want to install. Usually when we install, it asks us to fill in our Wi-Fi and password to connect the internet, so we don't need it, and I will show you how to skip it. Okay, let's finish. Okay, right now we can start our installation. Okay, just press any key, and if you want to move the mouse arm, just press Ctrl Alt and yes, leave it like that. So here just click next and install, and let's see when after install how it look like, and you feel it or not. Okay, here we don't need it, just testing. We don't need a product key. Here come to interesting. Windows 10 come up with a bunch of new feature here. They have home and home, single language, education and pro, and a lot of Pro for workstation, Pro and for workstation, and all in 64-bit. Okay, so let's install Pro version. Just click accept and install. Here we do a custom installation. Okay, if we upgrade, we choose this one, but here we just custom install. And if you install in real device, you can partition with new and set how much you want and apply, and then you got 2 or 3 drive. So here we just install it. Next, so just wait a moment and we'll copy all the file and install in progress. Okay, let's restart it, and then it will come up again. Okay, so it comes something like this. Really interesting. Yeah. Okay, right now just choose like that, and the keyboard layout just choose that one. And if you want to add another, just click it, but here just skip it. Okay, usually as to connect your Wi-Fi or the internet, so you don't need to do anything here, and you just press Alt F1, Alt F4 to skip this one. Okay, Alt F4 to close this. So just put the name of your device. Okay, just press Alt F4. Or some keyboard need another function, Fn function. So just press Fn, Alt, and F4 keyboard. Okay, in here just put my name here, and password just skip it. Or if you create a password, need to be a strong password one with big with capital letter and small letter and number and symbol. But in here for testing, so I don't need. If you put here, they will have some recovery option like answer the question or something, but here just skip it. Okay, here relate to privacy, you can on, off, or another thing, location or something. Just accept and keep it going. Okay, just wait a moment. Almost ready. Okay, so for display driver resolutions. Okay, so it comes something like this. First thing, let's change our screen resolution first. Display setting, and just choose Full HD here to fit our screen. Okay, keep change. Okay, really interesting here. This is something like this. Okay, let's click our start here. So you may feel it just like Mac in here. They have something, or you can just drag and pin here. Oh, not allowed. Move up or pin to taskbar. Okay, yeah, so you can add it here. Okay, here we can have our account and turn on, shut down and restart. And if you have another app here, we'll show here, or you click the app here. Okay, existing Android here. Or you can just search here, snipping tool, something like that. Or which have another desktop background here. For example, I put another desktop background here. I'm on desktop background too, and let's change our built-in background right here. Wow, really interesting. Okay, and we can switch to here. So we can switch from screen to screen, and we can have another more and more. Okay. Here the widget here need to have internet access and with Microsoft account, so we can get some more information related to new and stock or other thing with the. Okay, let's see our file explorer. Well, interesting. You can see small like this or big like this. Okay, download folder. No. Okay, let's right click and property. We just like our Windows 10. Here Windows 11. Okay, version dev. Okay, Windows 11 Pro. So interesting, and they have store in here. Store is a big chain right here. Oh, here I don't have internet connection. Let me just turn it on and you will see something. And go to setting, adapter, we choose NAT, we connect to our host, the local website. Okay, let's identifying the network. Just wait. Okay, connected, and here the host. No, new Microsoft Store. Yeah, there are a lot of apps, and here they have some. They say they bring some app from Android here via Amazon Store. Okay, let's go it out. Okay, so you come about new feature here, especially start menu, and let's check the setting. You can system setting. Okay, but here the display. What about dark mode here? Taskbar. Okay, we need to activate, and then we can change like color. Here we need to activate it first. Even theme or the thing, we need to activate it first in order to get it. Okay, if you want another Windows 11 tutorial, check link in description, or how to test your PC with a ready for Windows 11 update. Check link in description. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the video.